Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today topic is we are going to see the top 10 Splunk intro questions and answers. It is very useful for the DevOps engineers. It is very useful for the L2 production support engineer, L3 support engineers, and L1 support engineer who are wanted to explore more in the monitoring tool Splunk. And observability engineers can also refer this video. Okay, let us jump on to the first question. What are the component of the Splunk architecture? And this is the question we are going to get in our intros. If the interviewer asks this question, means how you need to answer is you need to answer the question this question like the component of the Splunk architecture has the forwarder, indexer, and the search head. And in the search, in the forwarder, what we are going to get is data inputs we are going to get. We are going to inject the data. That injected data, it has to process by the forwarder, and then the next data it has to come to the indexer. In the indexer, what it is going to do, the incoming data it has to do the parsing, and after that it has to do the indexing, and it will keep the all the index data in the indexer. And then once the data is indexed and it is available for the searching, where the searching will be taking care is in the search head. And I have explained you the it is the data forwarding only we are using, and parsing and indexing the data. I will explain you more about the forwarder. What are the different type of the forwarder are there? I will explain you in detail. In the search admin, GUI used for searching and analyzing the report. Okay, and we'll see the practically exactly. Okay, see here, we can add the one data. Okay, so here the input data we are going to add it. Similar way, we are real time also it is going to happen. Let me show you that. Let me go to the Splunk. Okay, and here already to add the data, what we have to do to add the data, go to the settings and click the add the data. Okay, click here. See the forwarder means from the forwarder, the data will come to the Splunk. Okay, or we can upload the file from manually also from our computer. As of now, I am going to show you uploading the data from the computer. Okay, so first, what is the add the data? First, the select the source. The as of now, the source is I am my computer. Okay, then the real time the source might be the remote computer. There the data will be there, and that data how it is forwarded is through the forwarder. It might be the heavy forwarder or the like the there are the two types of forwarder we are using, and it is based on our request. We are going to use those forwarders. Okay, and let me add the data here. Okay, the I have taken the mall customer data here. Let me open it and file uploaded, and to the select the file, then click on next. Source type is source type. I have selected the CSV. What are the it contains field age and customer ID and gender, all the steps. Okay, and there is no data in the Splunk. Just I am adding it. How the I am showing the flow, how the component is going to work. We are in the forwarder now. It is we are pushing the data. Next, we need to input the setting like the constant variable. This is the index. I am going to choose the already one L2 production support main summary. It is there. So I am going to put it in the L2 support. Okay. Then after that, preview and see the input data uploaded file in file name is this, and index is the L2 support. Okay. Submit it. Okay. And it is ready for the search. Okay. Go to the search. Okay. You are able to see the I want to search this. Okay. Index is the L2 support, and this is the this. And I want to last 30 minutes I'm going to choose. Okay. Instead of last 15 minutes also you can choose time window. Okay, you are able to see this, right? And see these are the fields in that particular file. Okay, you can see it here. Download mall customer. Yeah, these are the fields are there, right? Okay, those fields, gender, age, and all. Let me uh, let me fetch that data via using the Splunk here. Okay, see here, table format, table, like what is the age I'm going to take, the field name, age, then I want the gender. Two fields I need, gender. Okay, click on search. Okay, age, why it is not coming? Use all the timing. Okay, so I have chosen the all the time. Okay, instead of that. Okay, age and gender I have chosen. Okay, see here the data it will come. Obviously, it will come. Okay, see here. Few are the like the few. It has a it doesn't have the gender. That is the reason we are showing the blank. Okay, it might be the like this will be able to get the data. So what had happened? Once you insert the data there, then it has indexed the data here. Okay, and indexing we are searching in the search ad. Okay, we'll go back to here. See here, index had happened, search ad it came. Okay, let us move on to the next question. What are the common port numbers used by the Splunk? This is the one of the intro questions they are going to ask. The common port number used by the Splunk is web port is 88800, management port is 8089, and network port is 514, and index replication port is 8080, indexing port is 9997, KV port is 8191. And where exactly you need to see it here is, I have shown you here, server setting and general setting. You will be able to see those things. Okay, let me go ahead and I will show you that. Okay, go to the setting and server setting, then general setting. Okay, just click on general setting. You are able, management port is 8087 and web port is 8000. App server port is 8065 and the KV store port is 8191. Okay, this is the, you need to learn the practical way, guys. Always learn the things practical way. Okay, and let me go back to the next important questions. Okay, different kind of forwarders in the Splunk. They will ask you this question. What are the different kind of forwarder in the Splunk? What is the use of it? Okay. And there are the two types of forwarders are available in the Splunk. The universal forwarder and heavy forwarder. What the universal forwarder will do, you cannot opt for the universal forwarder if you want to forward the raw data collected at the source. Only if you want to, raw data, if you want to push to the this one, then only we are going to use the universal forwarder. What it is going to do, it is task is, it is a simple component which perform the minimal processing on the incoming data stream before forwarding them to the indexer. What it is going to do, so what it will take the data, what it will do, it will, it is the input data. Okay, some source the data it is coming, and this is the indexer. What we will call it as indexer. Okay, so minimal processing it will do it here. Okay, this is the UF. UF means universal forwarder. Minimal. All the it is not do the all the filter, all the indexing, nothing it will do. Just it will do some basic filter and then forward to the indexer. And here, data transfer is a major problem for the almost every tool in the market, since there is a minimal processing on the data before it is forwarded. Okay, and it has to be, the indexer has to perform all the activities, like it has to parse and then do the indexing, then store for the other purpose, like the it has to send it to the search chat. Okay, so to overcome this, and we have the another forwarder, heavy forwarder. Okay, let us see the what the heavy forwarder is going to help us. How the heavy forwarder is going to help us. Heavy forwarder, what it is going to see here only the data it is going to do. The heavy forwarder is going to do parsing, indexing, and once the indexing is done, routing, and all the data to be routed to the indexer, so that indexer job is to only keep that indexing data at their side, whether the all the indexing is done properly or not. It has to, it is increase the saving the like the whatever the data come from the heavy forwarder, it will store and it will keep it for the serving the for the search at. Okay, and you can see the heavy forwarder, you can use the heavy forwarder and eliminate the half of your problem, because one level of the data processing happen at the source itself before forwarding data to the indexer. Before forwarding to the indexer, it will parse, index, and routing it is doing. That is the reason we are going to, most of the time we are going to use the heavy forwarder. Okay, and let us move on to the next question. Okay. Tell me the some common transformation command in the Splunk. Okay. The common transformation commands are like the short command, top command, rare command, and stat commands. Okay. Only four commands I am giving. If the interviewer asks also, you can tell these commands. That is it is fine. Okay. And the first command I'm going to take is the short command. What the short is going to do here is, the short command is used to sort the result by one or the more field, either in the ascending or the descending order. Okay, the whenever like the by default, if you use the short along with the field name, it is going to sort the result in the like the ascending order. Okay, if you use the minus sign along with the short minus and field name, if you are going to use, it is going to do the descending order. I will show you the practically, guys. Okay, and uh, okay, let me go ahead and let me show you that. Okay, here index is equal to, I am going to choose this only, age. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I am going to use that. I will do the stats. Okay, stats. Let's see. Okay, I got the age here. Okay, and it is obviously I want to sort this it in the descending order. Sort hyphen age. Okay, it is in ascending order. I want to sort this in the descending order. See here, descending it came. Correct? Start by age. Start by age I have done, right? See here. Hmm. If I want the, if I use the this one, nothing I have used, the plus I have used, it is going to do it in the ascending order. 18, 19, this is the in the descending order. Okay. And till here, it is in the 64 numbers are there. Okay. Whatever the file I have uploaded, source type CSV and table, this one I have given you the example. Let us see top command. Okay. The top, what the top command is going to do here is, top command is used to return the most frequent values of the field and provide the count and percentage. Okay, and return the topmost. Okay, for this, what is the syntax is index is equal to whatever the index you can. I have taken the internal and like the pipe symbol, and then top limit is equal to 5 and group is the field name. Only I am displaying the only top 5 group, and it will display the few like the field name and the what is the count and what is the percentage it is going to display for us. Okay, let us see. Here also you can choose. Okay, like the I want to choose the top 10 top values. See here top 20 values. See here age and count. Okay, like this you can choose the rare also. Rare the age. What is the top rare values means? You can see the table is equal to age and statics age, and this is the rare command. Okay, and count 64 age 64 people's age is the 64. How many counts is 22? Like this I am displaying the only limit is age. If I want to limit to the 5, I can do that. Okay, and similarly, stat command. It is used to calculate the aggregate statics such as the count, sum, average, and more based on the field in the your event. Here I have taken the index is equal to internal and stat count by log level I have taken. Okay, let me execute this, or else I can show you to here also. Okay, and okay, the table age is there. Okay, how many age and how many will do that. Okay, for this only I am going to show you practical way. Okay, stats count by age. Okay, this is the tab. I am using the count. Okay, not the sum. Count. See here, 18 age. How many people are there? 69 members are there. 19, 68 members. 20 age, 29. Like this, 64 age people are 22 numbers are there. Okay, this is use aggregate functions. Along with this stat command, we can use the sum, average, and many more field of the aggregate function based on our requirement. We can utilize it. Okay, and let us go ahead and see the another beautiful intro questions they will be asking. How to start and stop the Splunk in either it in the Linux and either it in the Windows system. In the Linux system, I'm going to show how you are going to do the start and stop it. Okay, and let me show you the first. Okay, and okay, let me. I have using the Ubuntu server here, and I will show you whether it is running or not. Okay, let me log in and I will show you guys. Okay, see here. This is the my uh, Splunk. Okay, Splunk URL. Okay, so unable to connect to the server. Now what I will do, I am going to start it. It is in the stopped state, right? So I am going to start it. Okay, and clear it. See here. Now I am in before doing the start and stop, you should be in the OPT Splunk and Bean folder. I have already there in this one. If you are not there, just you need to throw this command. Then pwd, you are there in that command. Then to start the Splunk, you need to do sudo dot slash Splunk start button. Okay, enter. It will ask for the password. Give the password. Okay, see here. It is doing what it is doing, waiting for the web server. Once it will start, what will happen? And it is good. It will show the it is server is available. Okay, see here the Splunk interface. You are able to see this. If you copy and you can paste also, it is going to give us. Okay, see here waiting for the server, and if you are okay, now you go to the server and refresh it. See here, it is up, right? So I want to log in it here. Okay. So you are able to log in. Okay. Similarly, how you can stop that server is using the sudo space dot slash Splunk stop. Okay, I'm going to use this. Go to the my putty. Okay, you should be in the OPT Splunk and bin folder. Then throw this. Okay, stopping the Splunk D, setting down. Please wait as this may take few minutes. Okay, and once it completes its process, and you will not be able to access that. Okay, now it might have stopped it. Okay, so if you repress it again, see it got stopped, and you should be able to do this. Okay, stopping the Splunk helper done. Like this, you need to stop it. In a Windows system, you can follow these steps, like the open the services, like the in a Windows, you give the Windows plus R. Okay, then service, enter the like the service.msc. Okay, and then you search for the, then you scroll down to the find the Splunk services and right click on the service and select the stop, because already my service is in the start state, because you are able to see here Windows system, my it is able to access it. Okay, so I will find that where it is. Okay, Splunk services in the yes. Okay. Mm, okay, find that Splunk services and it should be above only. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I am able to find the Splunk T services here. Okay, right click on it. It is already started. So I am going to hit the stop button here. So during the stop, it is going to do like this. Okay, once it is completed, we need to check whether I am able to access it or not. Okay. Okay, here. I'm not able to access it because the Splunk D only the stop, right? So again, in to start it, either you can use it here or find that Splunk D. To find it, need to do controller. Okay, and right click it, start it. Okay, to the starting, what it will do, it will show this pop-up, and once it completed till completion, then repress it here, repress it, it should up completed. No, still it is not completed. Yes, uh, restart option is coming and it will be up now. Okay, yes, and click on login. Okay, let us move on to the next question, guys. I have given you the steps here using the Windows services, and most important configurations while in the Splunk are the props.config and indexes.config and inputs.config and transport.config and server.config. When you guys are going to touch this config file is when you'll be doing the most of the timing admin stuff like the installation and new indexing of the file and you will be doing the some admin steps, all the steps we are going to use this most important configuration file. Okay, and coming to the next question, and how to remove the duplicate entries from the Splunk search. Okay, and I will show you using the dud up command to remove the duplicate entries here. Okay, and table then did up I'm going to show you. Here I have removed the duplicate. Okay, let me show you an example how I have removed this. Okay, go here, or here also I can show you that. Okay, well, let me show you that. Copy this. Okay, table. See here, the log levels info are there, warning are there, so many are there, right? You can see. You want to see the how many log levels are there? Here, info. How many counts are there? 1,62,637. Okay, error. This many are there. Okay, these are the duplicates number. Okay, I want to remove these duplicates. I want to display the only info one time, error one time, warning one time. Like this. Okay, so what is the dedup? Okay, so using the table, I have displayed the only. So pipe symbol, use the dead of, then field name log level. Okay, like this you can use the any. Okay, so now only I am able to display the only for info war error warning. Okay, these are the port like this. The interviewer asked this question means you should be able to answer this. Okay, and let us, I have given you the similar steps. You can see it here. You can use the similar like the command. Okay, what are the search mode available in the Splunk? Okay, there are the three search mode available, like the fast mode, smart mode, verbose mode. The similar way I have shown you here. Here, the fast mode, smart mode, verbose mode. Okay, I will show you where exactly you need to see this. Okay, okay, go here. And where are this in the real time? So where how we have to see this? Okay, so now I am, see it, which one is selected, you are able to see it here, right? Here you can see the verbose mode is selected right here. Okay, there are the other modes, fast mode, smart mode, verbose mode are also is there. Okay, and so what the verbose mode it is going to display here is all the event and field data it is going to display, and the smart mode only it will not display the no event or the field and data stats or the searches. Okay, and here also the field discovery, if you want to add the new field it is not possible, and no event field or the fetching the data from the Splunk it is very faster. That is the reason if we have the requirement fetching the data very fast, we are going to use the fast mode. Okay, and if I want the all the events and all the field data, I want to add the few field, I want to remove some field means then we are going for almost all the timing when we'll be doing the real time analysis using the Splunk, we'll be going for the verbose mode. Based on the requirement, we are going to change our search mode. Okay, let me show you the other modes, how the other modes are going to work it here. Okay, let me show you the one by one, guys. Okay, now verbose mode, as I confirmed, right? So see here, in the verbose mode it is showing the statical data also and event also. See here, event, what and all the, see here, event field and all the steps it is showing. Okay, for example, let me show you smart. Okay, smart mode. Okay, see here, smart mode, I got the data faster than earlier verbose mode. And if you go to the event, see here, your search did not return the any event because you are in the smart mode. Search in the verbose mode to view the event. Okay, and similarly, if I change this to the past mode, data is given the very past because you are into the past mode. Okay, and see at the events, no events. Your search did not return any event because you are in the past mode. Okay. And pattern, all those things it will not display because it is giving the past result, right? That is the reason it will not give the any events, all those things. So if I want to new field here, I can't able to, nothing is displaying how I am going to add there. Okay. That is the problem it will arise. Okay. And these are the about the search modes. Okay, these are the very important questions. The next two questions, let us take one by one. How to search the two field in the single Splunk queries? Okay, two fields. There are the like the errors. We need to find out that error codes. Like the error codes are the 404 and 500, and those things we can able to search using this methodology. Nothing. The field name, then whatever the error code or whatever it might be, we have to use the or condition, so that we'll be able to do that. Okay, index, I am going to use the internal, log level is equal to info. Let me show you this, guys. Go to the Splunk again, index. Okay, I will show you. I'm index, I'm going to use the internal, then log level, I'm going to use the info. Okay, so internal, what are the internal, what are the source type it has is, you are going to able to see here. The source type is 33 source type is there. So if, whatever the all the source types, I am able to fetch the data. Okay. So I am going to log level info. I am fetching from all the source types. I am not taken the any particular source type. Okay. And info only you are able to see it here, right? The log level only info is there. I want the warnings to be displayed is, or then log level is equal to this one. Then put the search. Okay. You'll be able to see that. Okay. And see the log level info and warn it is giving, right? So you can use like the uh, it will like the stats count by log level, means we are able to see that. So info is this many times and warn is this many times. The two errors I am able to find. Okay, and let us see the last one. What is the summary index in the Splunk? The summary index is the default summary index, the index that Splunk Enterprise uses if you do not indicate the another one. Okay, default enterprise Splunk Enterprise only I am using, and it is the 60 days trial version. You guys can utilize it in install and you can try for this. Okay, if you plan to run the variety of the summary index report, you may need to create a additional summary index. Where exactly we need to see that summary index is, and go to the Splunk again. Okay, go to the settings here and search and report and alert section. Click here. Okay, and see here. I have scheduled this report type as a report, and this is the alert. And if you click here, edit, you edit the summary indexing. Okay, see here, summary. I have already added the one summary index. Okay, and I have added this. If you don't want this, you can save it. If you want to add it, means again what you can do, uh, edit summary index. Click here. Okay, and if you want to add another summary index also, you can do like, okay, G and whatever this one you can do this. Okay, and enable the search. Okay, like this you can do this. Okay, and this is about the all the 10 most important interview questions, guys. If you have the any question regarding this explanation or regarding the Splunk interview question answer, and please comment on this, and I'm happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much, guys. Okay.